wasting all that power. Either way, you risk the seeds damaged by the hour. It's the Goldilocks zone, the just right way, where speed meets protection, saves you cash each day. Smooth and steady, running strong, less waste, more power. Keeps buck moving along. We go big when it's best, but here's the truth we share. Bigger ain't always better. It's the fit that gets you there. Less damage, less drag, less electricity. Keep your grain flowing with top efficiency. It's the Goldilocks zone, the just right way, where speed meets protection, saves you cash each day. Smooth and steady, running strong, less waste, more power. Keeps bulk moving along. Walinga's got the perfect plan, custom built to meet demand.